Hi, I'm JP Asilo. The video game I remember playing is Tetris, which was addicting for me. I play it when I was just an elementary student using a brick game. The game I want to learn more about, even though it is old, is Taken, because for me, it's very challenging to play. My favorite player is Eddie, but I really can't beat all of the characters, no matter which one I use. Taken is fun to play, especially when you're up against your friends using different character.